June 16th, 2026, day 15 of the trip, and we are officially in Boise. Boise, excuse me.
Yeah.
Longtime friend. Haven't seen him in a while.
EG.
What do you like to say?
The boys and gals are back to catching some curl. In Boise. Pronounce it with a C, like being correct. Instead of people say Boise. It's not Boise, it's Boise.
And there you have it. We are on a tour de Boise. And
Day uno.
First tip is how to say
Boise
correctly. And we're off. Headed to brunch. Dropped the van off this morning. We should be having word on what's going on with it later this afternoon, and we are ripping. We're on schedule.
A lot of sightseeing today, a lot of thrifting. A lot of beautiful places to see today.
We'll see you out there.
Always really well hold someone's phone.
Yeah.
Just either lift it up in the front, kick it back. Lift up like the front. Yeah, there you go.
There she goes.
They really get going, almost up to 30. We're like by Boise State. We can go to that man-made way first in Garden City.
Let's
and
do
then
it.
come back.
Cool.
You pick it up and you bring it to the other side.
It's great.
Oh, we thought it was someone's
we thought it was-
job.
No, it's like just
Volunteers.
communal. You just pick one out and take it across if you need to. And oh, that was so sketchy.
Rope the bank, bub.
Cruising, Boise day 2.5. Oh, see ya. Chest high kickers.
June 17, 2026, day 16 of the trip. We are still in Boise with Eric Gins.
Day 2.5, Boise.
And so far it has been a wild start to the day. Got the skates, was headed down to the skate park, turning left onto a road. The car in front of us didn't stop for a pedestrian, and we witnessed somebody getting hit by a car. Thank God they were okay. But we got out of the car, Jess went over and consoled the lady. Eric was on it. I called 911, and the lady was fully conscious, no blood, no broken bones.
Thank God.
As far as we know, but the lady was going like 15 miles an hour in. And right as this was all happening, I was on the phone with the mechanic from the van, and we found out that our water pump needs to be replaced, plus our timing cover. So that's about a $1,600 job, but it had to be done. And luckily we were in a spot staying with Eric on the road somewhere, and we didn't blow the engine up. And now we're rocking and rolling. Prayers for that lady. That was wild. Holy crap. I mean, we saw it happen right in front of our eyes. What's the name of this squad? The triple?
We're the tripod. Quad pod with Otto.
The quad pod, including Otto. Where Otto was with us. He was on it. He was making sure nothing was standing guard. And
We were literally right in front of the fire department, so that was convenient.
yes, we were right across the street from the fire department. They actually walked over from the fire station, took care of the lady. Cops showed up, gave him a little statement, and we were on our way. Van's getting taken care of, should be done tomorrow. And currently we are headed to the Boise River.
About to float about a 6-mile stretch of the Boise River from famous Barber Park down to Ann Morrison. Water's gonna be cold, but we're built for this.
And what's the...
We're here with a couple surfers, you know, they're used to it.
What's the river clocking right now?
River's at about 1,100 CFS. For the people that don't understand that, that's cubic feet per second. That's a rating that rivers have in terms of heavy flow. Good average float range is about 500 to 1,500. So sitting at 1,100, we're kind of, as I would say, right in the sweet spot. Really looking forward to an electric experience, something that'll be everlasting in their minds.
Couldn't have said it any better.
Thank you, Jim.
That's a local 6 years here? Boise.
Local in Boise for about coming on 6 years in July.
And we're gonna get the full tour. And we were there at the river yesterday, and there was not a soul in the river, so we might have the river to ourselves.
Just can't ask for that.
And I guess that doesn't happen too often. And we bought ourselves some floats from Cabela's. Eric's got a paddleboard, and we were just gonna rip down the river, have ourselves a good time.
Videos to come.
82-degree day, a little wind, about 15 degrees cooler than yesterday, and see you at the river.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Ready to roll.
Is yours good to go?
Yeah.
We off, baby.
Oh.
I mean, it's def cold. Sure.
This is great.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, floating the Boise River. Winds are blowing. River's ripping. What's the metrics? 1,100 cubic water flow per minute?
Is that what it is?
Something like that.
I don't think it's just a number. I don't know what it actually is. Why is it so loud, huh?
It's class 2, dog.
Oh, I see white water.
We're gonna hit our ass on the ground?
There's a chance. You need to lift up bum.
Lift
Lift up bum for tailbone.
Should I record?
You might, yeah. Just focus to lift the bum a little.
Hold on.
You might have to dump, but we'll see.
But I might have to.
Yeah.
Here's Rick's on scene here.
Alright guys, coming up on it.
I'm gonna spin
Follow
around.
my line, follow my line.
1100, huh?
Class 2 rapids?
Class 2, nose. Here we go.
I'm nervous.
Watch. We can hold. Major Rick, you're ready.
Lift your bum.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm putting on air. I think we're fine. This is Wet Wild 101 right here. That paddleboard's up on
You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're ready. How are we going?
Oh my god! Lift bum.
So cold! Yeah!
I had to let
Oh,
go.
you're good.
That was crazy!
Look at it.
Wow. All right, we're ripping. Yoo-hoo!
3. Tour guide. Come on. We're good, we're good. See ya. Whoa.
Oh, no, man.
Did you poke one?
It scraped, but it didn't poke. It didn't scraped along the side.
Oh, God, it's here.
You can see because they do ever change so much. So just if there's like twigs or rocks or anything, you gotta just look out. But typically it's middle right.
About to go down this thing backwards or what? Oh man.
Yeah, so like right center. You just gotta get to the right of these twigs sticking up here. So it's
I detached. Yeah.
you just constantly like right.
Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, getting some sticks out of the way. Ah, that's nice.
Get in their pocket, grab it.
Whoop-a.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, like
Nice.
look at all the bugs that like skip the water, dude. Like,
Well, foam is home.
yeah, great fucking fish. Less
Kind of want to go left. Just don't want to get wet.
You're gonna get
I
what?
know. Dang, the wind's holding us up.
Wild. Look at us just floating. We're moving. Send it.
We're here.
Woo. Right.
Like
The last rapid.
the one before the second.
Ooh, I'm starting to get cold.
Me too. We went under that bridge and I was freezing. I'd love to know what the water temperature actually is.